It's time for Brussels sprouts. Hey, it's Lisa with An Appetizing Life, and each week I bring you new videos and tips and tricks on how to make your time in the kitchen just a little bit more fun and very healthy. So today I am making a Brussels sprout salad because 'tis the season for Brussels sprouts. And this is really easy, and I'm going to show you a couple of techniques to get this, which I'm obviously obsessed with. So first you need to shred your Brussels sprouts. That's a lot to say, but I just got it out. I like to use my Cuisinart to do this. Now, if you don't have a Cuisinart, just use your nice, sharp chef knife. Just cut off the end. I like to cut it in half. Time to use your knife skills. And you're just gonna get in there and do a very fine slice. Pretty easy. So now you need to dice your apples. So take the sides down. And you can take a little lemon juice and brush it on so it doesn't turn brown. All diced. And I'm gonna put those in there. I'm gonna add in a little sliced shallot. So let's put together the vinaigrette just to bring this all together. So for this salad, I'm gonna use white balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of honey, some salt, ground black pepper. I'm gonna give that a little bit of a shake. Now a little olive oil. I think it just flew everywhere, but it's okay. Little taste. I'm good. If you need to adjust your seasoning, you want a little more salt, a little more pepper, you do you, but I'm good. So now I'm gonna lightly dress this. I always make a little more dressing because some people like a little bit more, some people like a little less. Give this a toss. Let's get this on a plate. I'm not done yet. I'm gonna add a little goat cheese, or a lot of goat cheese. And just to top it off, I have toasted hazelnuts that I chopped. So this is an easy fresh salad for the season. It would be great with a roasted chicken. And it's just really fresh, and those hazelnuts, you're gonna thank me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of An Appetizing Life. I'll see you next time, and I ran out of forks. I'm not gonna use my hands, or I could use my hands, I guess. It's just me. So first you need to to shred your Brussels sprouts. It's to me, yeses.